David here. Today I'm going to give a little bit of an overview of the Slow Stick. I built this I think in 2013 or 2014, and it's been a favorite in my hangar. It really is just a slow stick kit, pretty standard slow stick with the Mia Microflight Ultralight conversion. That makes it a lot of fun, the conversion. You get a trike landing gear, as you can see, and you also get the wing struts that for holding the wing out. They add some realism, and you get a little chair. It's perfect for a 12-inch size G.I. Joe, and you'll see that in some of my videos. But it's been a lot of fun. You just have to be very careful on all your landings because of the aluminum will bend if you nose in. And so I've been fortunate enough to not have any major accidents or anything, but it's been a lot of fun. With this slow stick, I'm using a 2830 1100 kV. This is plenty of power. I do some long range with it a little bit, and I do get some longer flights. I ride the battery up here, 2200 typically. I'm using the RunCam Link with the Wasp camera. I just put this one on there. I moved my other one over to my twin. Here I'm also using the Q-Lite OSD, and the Q-Lite OSD is my design of just an OSD that works with DJI, the original DJI Air unit, and the Vista and the RunCam Link. It gives you the GPS information, altitude, arrow home, your ground speed, and your voltage, all in your display. All the important stuff. I have other planes that I use iNav in, and I get the return home, but I really enjoy having the full control and not having pass-through or the latency that's caused by some of the flight controllers. And the Q-Lite OSD is pretty inexpensive, and I really enjoy building them. Other than that, I did put a tail wheel on there just to keep the tail fin off the ground when the battery's not loaded on it. When the battery's loaded on it, it does rest on the three wheels like this. So Mia Microflight does have a chair. I designed my own. I just cut it out of some PTEG material, painted it. His design is pretty genius, actually. I really thought it was pretty cool, well thought out. These are cable ties, and I use nylon nuts and bolts. The other things that are pretty cool is where he joins or there's bends, glass fiber goes into a rubber tube. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, this is one of my favorites to fly, just because of the immersive feeling. You're in this ultralight cage here, and it is super light. It feels very light. Let's see if we can do a low flyby here real quick. These trucks just park them out there. They're not supposed to be parked out here, but they do. There's water. We can come at it from the other way. Really like being able to look into the turn off the corner. It just makes it feel so natural and real. If you see straight ahead, right above that front wheel, that's the Superstition Mountains. And right there, that's the flat iron that the wheel is on right now. And over to the right over there, you can see the basins. We also fly it at those basins. Mesa allows RC in those. My altitude is 280 feet. Right here. do have sunrise. The clouds are covering the sun right now. Let's see if we can see any other pilots down here at the basin. Looks like Pete's down there. That's his van. I can fly drone. The world famous I can fly drone pilot. Yeah. When I'm out here, I've got to remember to keep my head up for the antennas. Super enjoyable aircraft. This is my ultralight immersive flight. If I really want to feel immersed, I put the G.I. Joe in, and feels like I'm sitting there with, I can see my feet, because often when I'm sitting in a camp chair or a chair flying, it feels like that's my legs out there. It's kind of funny. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the flying along with me today and showing you a little bit about the ultralight. I do get questions on it and where it's from, and it's just been an enjoyable platform. I believe when I did reach out to Mario at Mia Microflight, he indicated that he does still sell them, but you may have to reach out to him directly and arrange purchase directly, and I'd like to help him out. I mean, he's a very creative person and just has a passion for creating things, and you can see his videos on YouTube, and he loves sharing his ideas there. And anyway, if you want to build one of these ultralights, I recommend it. I've had this one over 10 years and still enjoying it. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining me today.